Welcome everyone to the channel Interesting Biology. Today we'll be starting the second chapter in class 12 NCERT Biology, the sexual reproduction flowering plants. So this chapter basically has this 5 topics, and today we'll be discussing the first topic. The other topics will be discussed in the later videos. If you want notes of the video, you can link in the description box below. So now let's start. So what are actually flowers? Flowers are site of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So flowers are the place where actually sexual reproduction in flowering plants takes place. Now here is a small chart. Here are the parts of flower and roll. Roll actually means a group of the parts. Like if this is, here it is written sepals. So calyx is a group of sepals. Means roll actually means group. So before understanding these parts or memorizing this, we should first know that how a flower looks. So this is the figure parts of a flower. These are the parts. So this is the female reproductive part of a flowering plant, which consists of stigma. Stigma is the sticky place where pollen grains land after pollination, means during pollination. Style is the long stalk which attaches the stigma and the ovary. An ovary is the main female reproducing part in a flower. Inside this ovule and the female gamete lies. Similarly here anther is the male reproductive part. Stamen is the male reproductive part, but anther is the part where pollen grains of the male gametes are produced, and filamen is a long stalk which attaches the anther with the flower. So stigma, style and ovary, these three together are called carpel or pistil. Carpel or pistil, which is the female reproductive part, and here anther and filament together are called stamen, the male reproductive part in a flower. And other than that, here are the petals of the flower and the sepal. So in this box which we just saw, we saw that sepals, which are the parts at the base, the roll of sepals are called calyx, the rolls of petals are called corolla, the roll of stamen, which is the male reproductive part in a flowering plant, the roll is called androecium, and the pistil, the roll of the pistil is called gynoecium. So this is important to remember the name of the rolls at least. So you need to learn this box for exam purposes. Rolls are attached on the central axis called thalamus. As you can see in this picture, this is thalamus, or it is also known as receptacle. Receptacle. This is the base where the whole flower lies. And there are two types of flowers, the bisexual flowers where both stamen and carpel or pistil exist. I mean, both the type of reproductive organs, both male and female, exist in the same flower. You can see the examples of these flowers in the previous chapter videos. There I have given the examples properly. And the type of flower is the unisexual flowers, means only either stamen or carpel or pistil is present in a flower. These are the two types of flowers in flowering plants. So with this, we are ending this video. In the next video, we'll be discussing pre-fertilization structures and events in detail. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you think it was helpful, share it with your friends. And if you want more of this type of videos, subscribe to the channel Interesting Biology, and I'll see you all later.